Hello viewers, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you about ChatGPT course and tell more about our course. So let's jump into the main video. So particularly in today's video, we learn about ChatGPT applications and especially how ChatGPT used in customer service or other services. First, ChatGPT in customer service. So how it is used and how it works. ChatGPT as a language model trained by OpenAI can be used in customer service, provide a more efficient and personalized experience for users. Here are some ways ChatGPT can be used in customer service. So what is answering frequently asked question by answering FAQ questions by FAQ. ChatGPT can be trained to answer frequently asked questions such as product information, store hours, and contact information. This can help reduce the workload on customer service agents and provide instant responses to users. Next, providing 24/7 support. ChatGPT can provide 24/7 support to users even outside or regular business hours. This can improve user satisfaction and reduce wait times for support. Handling simple queries. ChatGPT can be used to handle simple queries and tasks such as updating user account information or providing shipping status. This can free up customer service agents to handle a more complex issue. Personalized support. ChatGPT can be trained to understand user preferences and provide personalized support based on past interactions. This can improve user engagement and satisfaction. Next, multilingual support. ChatGPT can be used to provide support in multiple languages. This can help businesses expand their reach and provide support to users in different regions. Improve first response time. ChatGPT can be used to automatically respond to customer inquiries, which can help reduce response times and improve the first response time for customers. Cost savings. Using ChatGPT in customer service can help businesses reduce costs by automating simple tasks and reducing the workload on customer service agents. Overall, we can say ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in customer service, providing instant support and improving the overall user experience. By using ChatGPT in customer service, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce cost, and provide personalized support to users. Now, this is time to summarize today's topic. So, in this video, we learn about ChatGPT in customer service and how we use ChatGPT in customer service. And this video, we cover these topics. ChatGPT can use answering frequently asked questions, providing 24/7 support, handling simple queries, personalized support, multilingual support, improve first response time, cost savings. Okay, so today's videos we learn about ChatGPT applications. So next we learn more about ChatGPT. So see you next video. Till then, take care.